Guys, we're gonna create a nice sweet and sour fish. We're gonna use the red tilapia, and these are all vegetables ingredients. We got matchstick cuts of carrots, spring onions, red and green bell pepper. We got red onions sliced, ginger in matchsticks, garlic, and we got pineapple tidbits here, soy sauce, sweet and chilies ketchup. We got vinegar, coarse black pepper, sugar, chili flakes and chili powder, and our Himalayan salt. Let's get cooking. Guys, we already done the fish. We fried the fish. We just season it with salt and black pepper, and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to soak all the seasoning. Then we deep fried it, and now it's ready. Next step, we're gonna make the vegetables with sauce to go with it. We'll put it on top and under it, and we'll cover it with all the beautiful sweet and sour sauce. You will see what it looks like later. Right, next step, we're gonna add our red onions, garlic and ginger, and we're gonna stir fry that for good 2 to 3 minutes. Break down all those red onions. Leave that for 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna add our green and red black pepper, carrots, and our spring onions. Stir fry that for a couple of minutes. Now add our pineapple tidbits, soy sauce, our sweet and chili ketchup that will add to the color of the sauce and give it a tangy taste. And next, our vinegar, we're gonna add our chili flakes and chili powder, our sugar, a couple of tablespoons of white sugar for the sugar down, our salt, and coarse black pepper. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of water. Give it a mix. Right, we're almost there. We're just gonna add the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Give it a stir. A minute will do. Should be done in a minute. And we're gonna start plating up our sweet and sour red tilapia for today. Nice and simple, easy to make, but tastes lovely. It goes well with a white rice or any type of rice you fancy. Just putting it on the top, under and on top of the fish. Our sweet, sour fish. And there we have it, our sweet and sour fish. Simple, easy to make. Any one of you can do it. Just follow how we did it, and I'm sure you will love it. It goes nicely with a white rice or steamed rice. Or if you're from Africa or somewhere there, you like your yam to go with it, it's absolutely fine. Before we forget, please like, share and subscribe to Mr. Bless on YouTube. Thank you and hope you enjoyed our cooking for today.